Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how Euro USD, USD CAD, USD CHF and USD JPY has moved in the last week and how these forex can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, what we have seen that after making this particular swing, we have seen it is continuously moving down. Before also what we have seen that it is being quite volatile, but continuous overall it is moving down. Okay, so what we can see looking at the chart, if we look at for this particular period of around 2021 to 2022, that it is continuously moving down. Before we move forward, markettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID I've given in the description, and please watch the full video so that you will get the glimpses how it works, and a telegram link also I've given in the description, you can join that too. See, suppose if this particular levels didn't sustain, because probability is very high, it has not touched this level since long, that means it has not crossed that particular level since long, and you can say it is from 2002 we have not seen this particular level has crossed downside, and now it has moved down. So probability is very high, we can see it can move further down. So suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again to a level of 0.99277, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.96924. okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.96069. okay, and once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 0.93502. probability is very high if it goes below a level of 0.96. but suppose if this level sustain, we can see it can move further upside towards a level of 1.02058, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1.03769. okay, and suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.06336, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 1.08262. suppose if the price goes above that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.10401. okay, and if we talk about USD CAD, see, if we talk about USD CAD, what we have seen since 2021, it has not moved to this particular point, and it has already crossed that level. okay, so now it has already made a half around 1.32180 181. so probability will be very high. We can see a strong support coming at around 1.30774, and we can see it can move further upside if this level sustain. Suppose if this level sustain, a probability of touching again 1.32322 will be there, and from there we can see it can go to a level of 1.33871. suppose if the price goes above that level, because this is already a weak resistance, so probability we can see towards a level of 1.35821. if it level sustain, and we can see it can move further high. But suppose if this level didn't sustain, a probability of going further down again in this particular zone is there. So if it goes below this particular point, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.29366, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of 1.28662. suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can go further down towards a level of 1.27395, and if that level also goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.26691. okay, and if that level goes downside, then we can see it can touch a level of 1.24861, and this is already being tested support, so probability is high, we can see it can move further down. See, we talk about USD CHF, we have seen after moving from this particular zone, it made a high of around 100.711. after that we have seen a continuous downfall, but it's quite a volatile thing. We have seen that the price was moving up and down. So probability, suppose if this level sustain, a probability of touching again to a level of 0.98063 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 0.98863, and this level is already being tested twice, so probability will be very high. We can see it can go further upside towards a level 1, can see further upside. So keep this in mind. If the price goes above a level of 0.98026, we can see it can move further upside. But suppose if this particular level didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again to a level of 0.97116. okay, and from there we can see it can move further down towards a level of 0.96352. once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move to a level of 0.95. okay, and from there we can see a probability of moving further downside. okay, now we talk about USD JPY. I have already explained you, and you can note it down that after so long we have seen the price of USD JPY has moved up so high, because it has not moved above a level of 126 since long. okay, since 2015 you can say. That is why it is continuously moving upside, and this, okay, So suppose if this level sustain, then we can see it can go further upside. Okay, but before I'll explain you, it can, if it didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again to a level of 137.154, and from there we can see a level of 136.811. Suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 135.697, and from there we can see a level of 134.497. okay, and suppose if the price goes below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 131.584, and then from there we can see a level of further down towards a level of 131.155. okay, and then further down. But suppose if this level sustain, I'll show you on a monthly base chart that where it all can move, because a probability of moving further upside is very high, because since 2003 we have not seen this level has come. And I'll explain you if we can see a chart much more before than 2003. okay, see, it has not touched this level. We can see a chart from 2003 that 129 was the high, and now it has already made a 138.528. if this level sustain, we can see it can move to a level of 140 to 141 also, and then further upside. So keep this in mind that you can keep on trailing the SL, and a probability will be very high it can move further upside till the time we cannot see a proper swing coming. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please go a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.